Hi teachers, today we're going to be learning about the Seesaw new updates that just came out in on July, mid-July, like they had promised. So they are very, very promising for remote learning, and I'm very excited to share this with you. So one of the updates has to do with being able to add links to your pages. So now, let's say I'm going to add and I'm going to upload a um, a picture from my computer. And here, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to use that as my background. This is kind of a choice board. I'm going to make sure I lock it. I like to make sure locking it because then the kids move everything around. And here I could go ahead and add an image of my choice and add some text. And the cool thing about this is that each of those images could become a linkable image. So what I'm going to show you here is going to be this thesaurus. So let's say I'm going to use a thesaurus as one of my resources that I want my kids to be using for this choice board. So I'm going to put in here thesaurus, and you can always come and change that if it doesn't work very well. You can change the background of that word text. I also like to lock everything in place. That way it's not moving for my students when they come in and work in this activity. So I'm going to lock it. Now, the image you can choose here also to upload something from your computer. And here I am going to choose an image of a thesaurus. Save. So here I will be putting that image in there, and it shows it's going to be here, and my student will be able to click on it and go to the thesaurus and find out more about the word they're looking for. So I'm going to click on it, on those three dots, and I will be adding a link. So here I'm going to put www.thesaurus.com, and now my students can go and find more synonyms for that word by just clicking on this little icon for the link. And that's pretty much what you can do now that it's making a choice board without having to get out of Seesaw, and everything is linked within Seesaw in the same page. Also make sure you lock it, nothing gets moved, and that's pretty much it. Now, for the other ones, you do the same thing, add your titles, add your links, and your kids will get used to being able to get all these images be linked, and just by looking at that little icon for a link. They can even hover on top of that icon and they can see what it is about. So another very important update that Seesaw just added is the adding videos. So for that, you can go to the camera tool and you can upload directly from your computer. You can add a video. So here I'm not going to be able to record because I'm recording with this other camera, but it is going to, let me just click here to close that. And let's try it again. I'm going to click on the camera tool, video, and I'm going to start recording a short video. So here we go. So here I am, and I'm just going to give my students some directions. Hi boys and girls, today you're going to be working on your synonyms choice board. Make sure you click on the links and go to all the resources that I have added to learn more about the word that you're learning, your vocabulary words for this week. I hope you have fun. And don't forget, you have many, many different resources available to find out more about those unknown words. Bye, enjoy. So I will be clicking done, and now you should have your video added there. So what I really like about this is that you're able to manipulate that video and pretty much put it anywhere where you want in the screen. Another thing that I really like is teachers are pointing to the video now as well, and that is another really great way of doing this. So you point at actually at the screen, and you just point at different parts of that page, and they can know exactly what you're talking about. That makes a difference. So well, these are very exciting updates that Seesaw has added, for, especially for remote learning. You guys are the kids are gonna love seeing your face there with videos. And remember, you have one video per page. So you continue adding pages, and you can add another video in each page. So I hope you enjoyed today's updates, and we'll see you later. Have fun with Seesaw. Bye.